Hey everybody, it's Ashton with Visit Delaware, and I'm here today to show you what you need to bring to Firefly and what you can bring to Firefly. It's happening next week, so we want everybody to come prepared and ready to have a good time. So, the thing you'll probably notice first of all is that I have a clear bag. So that's a new policy this year. We used to be able to bring a backpack or any type of opaque bag, but this year it has to be see-through, and there are some restrictions. So you can have a clear tote, you can have a clear backpack with 2 compartments or less, and you can also have a fanny pack that's not clear or a small clutch that's also not clear. So first things first, you want to have a place to sit. There's not a lot of seating inside the festival, so once you get there in between shows, you might want to sit down and relax. So right here I have a nice little weatherproof blanket, but on a nice sunny day, if it's going to be beautiful, I also brought a sheet right here just to lay across the grass to hang out. And also to keep in mind things about the weather, I brought myself a raincoat as well. So I have this awesome Visit Delaware one that has a hood and everything, which is perfect for the rain. And in case you're packing a little bit lighter than me, which is probably a good idea, I like to pack a little bit heavy, ready for anything. So you can also pack a poncho, just a little plastic one, takes up hardly any space at all, and you'll be good to go. Because keep in mind, umbrellas are prohibited, so you're really going to need to keep in mind having a poncho or a rain jacket. And so you're definitely going to want to stay hydrated during Firefly because it's usually hot, it's a beautiful summer festival, and it's great because they have water refill stations all across the grounds. But normally you could bring a camelback, which was what I typically brought, but it was inside a backpack, and so since this year you have to have something clear, I went ahead and packed some water bottles. But there are some restrictions on water bottles, so I couldn't bring this one because it is full of water and it's already been opened. But if I emptied it, it would be good to go. It just has to be a clear container, unopened, and if it's unopened, it has to be 20 ounces or less. So go ahead and check Firefly website to make sure that you're following all the rules so you can get through lines quick and easy. So I can either use this empty or I can bring a reusable water bottle like this one. You can easily see whether there's any liquid in it or not, and there isn't. So you might be asked to open your container, pour it out, and if it's empty, you're good to go. And something else is that it's usually also pretty sunny since it's during the summer. So there are some restrictions about what type of sunscreen you can bring. So firstly, you can't bring any type of spray sunscreen, but you can bring lotion, but it has to be unopened. So this is my sunscreen, but unfortunately I used it earlier this week, so it's already open, so I wouldn't be able to take this into the festival. So for me, and probably for you, the easiest thing to do would be to lather up before you get to the festival so you're good to go for the rest of the day. You're able to bring one small clutch or fanny pack type item. So I have this one with me to put all of the little things that I might need. So it is a cashless festival, so I have my ID and my credit card right there. And you can also load up your phone with Apple Pay because the vendors will be able to take that too. So you can go ahead and just have your phone ready to go and scan it whenever you get food or anything like that. And I also have a little portable charger for my phone because you never know when you'll run out of battery, and it's better to be prepared than not. And there's also charging stations across the festival where you can go ahead and turn your phone in, they'll put it in a little locker and charge it for you, and you can come back later. And I also brought some other tiny things. I have hair ties, a barrette, and even some chapstick, SPF 15, so my lips don't get burned. And something that I always come prepared with pretty much wherever I go is snacks. So I would usually bring something like this. It's a bag of cashews, but unfortunately with Firefly you can't bring in any of your own food or drink, but there's plenty of vendors, and like I said, they all take credit cards and Apple Pay, so just have that ready to go and you'll be set. Something I also like to have is a little bit of a game or something for my friends to do. So right here I have a deck of cards, which is great to have in between shows or things like that. And also I went ahead and I put some apps on my phone to keep me occupied, to keep my friends occupied, some games like charades or something like that. And like I said, I already have Apple Pay ready to go, so it'll make things quick and easy when I get to buy food, buy merch, anything that I'm looking for on site. And keep in mind, Firefly does have an app, which will be out for the festival. It's a great way to keep track of all your favorite shows, all your favorite artists, and keep you up to date on all the latest information going on at Firefly. So these are some of the top things to bring. And like I said, the biggest thing this year is make sure that you have a clear bag or a bag that fits within the dimensions listed on their website. So we hope that you come prepared with all the right things so you can get through the line smooth and easy and have a great time at Firefly 2019.